The stress for the child as well as the parent starts to mount as the child enters grade 11. So, what could be a practical advice for selecting the stream and the right decision that you can take along with your child while they are selecting their stream? So, few things that we must note is primarily the interest of the child, the aptitude of the child. Pushing them towards a field in which they are least interested just because you want to see them as something in future would not actually help them. This would overburden them and create a burnout situation in long run. The second is have a open communication with the child. Try to explore as many options as possible. Let them go through all the things that are around them. Do not dismiss any of the option prematurely. Ensure that you pay equal heed to all the options until a final decision is being done, and ensure that the path that the child is planning to take is finally reinforced once decided. So you are onto it along with your child, and you ensure that your child would have good success and make them believe that there are opportunities with this profession as they proceed forward. Sometimes professional advices are needed, so you can consult a teacher, consult a counselor, but there are certain tests which are called as stream selection tests being conducted. Those actually help provide your interest and aptitude, but that won't actually help a lot, because sometimes they put up things like become a painter, become an artist, but those are something that could be done with the mainstream subjects as well, taking that as a subsidiary subject in the early years, right? So just going blindly through the tests that are propounded for stream selection won't be a good advice. It's really important to explore numerous other dimensions and things before you finalize a decision. So identify the things that are non-negotiable, first of all, that you want or your child wants to must have and must not have. So a clear distinction between those two things should be done at first. Then create the list of subjects that you possibly want to explore. So it should not be more than 2 and 3. Decide the pros and cons for each of those, and then trust the instinct of your child with your parental guidance, which is really important at this point, and this would empower their voice and help them take a judicious, wise decision. So those are some of the things that you must take into account while selecting a stream. But yes, as we said, stream selection is something that runs with you throughout your life, builds your career for your lifetime. So take a wise decision. Even if you are able to take 10 to 15 days more to come to a final decision, that's totally okay, because throughout your lifetime those 10 to 15 days would matter nowhere. So thanks for joining in. We'll be covering many interesting sessions. Have a great day ahead.